Hey guys, in this video we're going to be reviewing BullionVault, okay? We're going to be going over both the pros and cons. So if you are someone who, believes in diversifying your investments, you probably have explored this option in a BullionVault to add physical gold and silver to your portfolio. So here's my take. I'll give you the pros and cons. First of all, okay, you get direct ownership of physical bullion. This is the biggest draw. You generally own allocated gold, silver, platinum, or palladium stored in a professional high security vault. Now, these are around the world, okay? And it'll be your choice of location. These are some of the options they have: Zurich, London, Toronto, Singapore, or New York. This provides you a level of security and tangibility that ETFs or paper gold, it just cannot match. So these are the prices. For example, the London Vault, and they have a transparency and daily audit. Okay, BullionVault is incredibly transparent. They conduct a daily audit. They allow you to verify your exact holdings against third-party bar lists. This level of accountability is very reassuring. And by the way, they have a very low, storage and transaction fees as well. Their storage fees is about 0.12% annually for gold. And I think that's quite competitive, especially when compared to traditional safe deposit boxes or some gold ETFs. And the transaction, the commissions, they all also decrease with a larger volume, okay, as you can see right here. And there is liquidity and 24/7 trading as well, okay? And basically you can buy and sell bullion 24/7 at live market prices. It offers you good liquidity if you need to access your funds quickly. And they have security measures in place. Beyond physical vault security, they have a robust digital security. It ensures, you have two-factor authentication. The funds are only returned to your verified bank account, and it prevents any unauthorized withdrawals. Now, let's go over the cons because everything has its cons. Now, for small holdings, there is a minimum fees. So while the overall fees are low for larger investments, the monthly storage fees are, for example, $4 for gold, $8 for silver. It can make it disappropriately, expensive for very small holdings. And let's go to the platform itself. The platform itself, it is functional, right? The platform they have, but it's quite basic. Okay, it lacks the advanced charting tools or technical analysis features that more experienced traders might look for. It's basically designed for buying and holding. It's not for active trading. Just keep that in mind. This is for buying and holding, not active trading. And by the way, the withdrawal of the physical metal itself, you can withdraw physical bars, but the fees for actually doing so, okay, especially for smaller non-standard sizes, it can be substantial, right? And makes it less practical for frequent physical redemptions. And for most international users, wire transfers are the primary method for funding and withdrawing, which sometimes in their case, it incurs bank charges and can be slower than other payment methods. So keep this in mind while you're making a decision. It's an excellent choice for serious investors if you're looking to hold physical precious metals with high security, transparent ownership. I like the daily audit, the competitive storage fees, but just keep in mind of the minimum fees. If you're starting with a very small investment, understand there's a platform designed for straightforward buying and selling, not complex trading strategies. If you found this review helpful and of value to you, appreciate the honesty, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.